Just won the lottery? Before you scream from the rooftops, watch this video. Today we're talking about what to do if you find yourself holding that lucky ticket. We'll cover everything from securing your winnings and understanding the legal jargon, to assembling a financial dream team, and avoiding those tragic lottery winner horror stories. Trust me, winning big is life-changing, but knowing how to handle it can mean the difference between securing generational wealth and becoming another cautionary tale. Okay, so you've matched all the numbers. You're basically swimming in dollar bills in your head right now, right? I get it. But before you start planning that victory yacht party, take a deep breath. The first thing you need to do, and I mean immediately, is sign that ticket. Your signature on the back is like Fort Knox level security. It proves it's yours and protects you from anyone trying to cash in on your lucky break. Next, stash that golden ticket somewhere safe, like a fireproof safe or a bank deposit box. And whatever you do, resist the urge to shout it from the rooftops or blast it on social media. The fewer people who know, the better. Remember, privacy equals power, especially when you're suddenly a multimillionaire. Winning the lottery isn't as simple as cashing in a scratch-off. It's a whole process, and you need to play by the rules. First, find out your state's claim deadline. It could be 90 days, 180 days, or even longer. Don't let procrastination cost you millions. Next, decide between a lump sum payout or an annuity. A lump sum means instant gratification, a mountain of cash right now. An annuity spreads out your winnings over years, which can be better for budgeting and taxes. Each option has deadlines, so study up. Finally, double-check those winning numbers on the official lottery website and make sure your ticket is the real deal. Look, I know hiring a lawyer and financial advisor might seem like something only rich people do, but trust me, you're officially part of that club now. Find yourself a lottery lawyer who eats, sleeps, and breathes this stuff. They'll help you navigate the legal maze, protect your newfound fortune, and keep those greedy relatives at bay. More on that later. Next, get a financial advisor who specializes in wealth management. They'll guide you through investment strategies, tax planning, and how to make your money work as hard as you did to win it. Remember, this isn't about getting rich quick. It's about staying rich for life. Chapter 4. Step 4. To claim or not to claim. That is the question. So, you've got your winning ticket, your legal and financial dream team is assembled, and you're itching to claim that life-changing prize. But hold your horses. You need a game plan. First, decide how you want to claim, in person, by mail, or online if your state allows it. Each method has its pros and cons, so do your research. Next, gather your arsenal of documents. Your ID, the signed winning ticket, claim forms, and any tax documents your advisor tells you to bring. And finally, the big one. Do you want to be the next lottery celebrity, or would you rather stay anonymous? Some states allow it, some don't, so check your local laws. Trust me, once you go public, everyone and their dog will be knocking on your door. Chapter 5, Step 5, Show me the money. The claiming process explained. It's go time. Time to turn that winning ticket into a mountain of cash. First, contact the Lottery Commission and schedule an appointment if needed. They'll guide you through the final steps, which usually involve verifying your identity, confirming your winning ticket, and signing some paperwork. Don't worry, your lawyer will be there to make sure everything is on the up and up. Once the paperwork is done, the waiting game begins. It might take a few days or a few weeks for the funds to clear, depending on the lottery and your chosen payment option. Just be patient. You've waited this long. What's a few more days? Chapter 6, Step 6. You're officially loaded. Now what? Congratulations. The money's in the bank, and you're officially living the dream. But before you go on a spending spree, let's talk about making that money last. First things first, pay off any debts you have. Mortgages, student loans, credit cards, wipe the slate clean. Next, invest wisely. Remember that financial advisor you hired? Now's their time to shine. They'll help you build a diversified portfolio that grows your wealth over time. And finally, don't fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. Sure, you can treat yourself, but blowing it all on fancy cars and mansions is a surefire way to end up broke. Remember, slow and steady wins the financial race. Outro, don't be a statistic. Make your winnings last a lifetime. Winning the lottery is a dream come true, but it's easy to get caught up in the excitement and make impulsive decisions. Remember to take a deep breath, secure your ticket, seek expert advice, and plan for the long haul. Don't become another lottery winner horror story. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more personal finance advice. And hey, for a limited time, I'm giving away a free lottery winners checklist to help you stay organized and informed throughout the entire process. Just click the link in the description below to download your copy. Stay informed, stay smart, and enjoy your life-changing win.